Happy April! I'm here to introduce you to our April monthly subscription box. This one is called English Garden, and it's a really unique color combination that's so pretty for this time of year. We've got some lovely lilacs and purples, lots of cool purple glitter and iridescent purple foil. We've got some mints, blues, and then transitioning into peach and some copper. Totally gorgeous. So let's go ahead and walk through everything included in this month's kit. All of our Happy Mail subscription boxes start off with a pretty encore color palette. This month we have porcelain peach, lilac lace, dusty purple, mint chocolate chip, and slate blue. Just a really fun, pretty late spring color palette. Then we're moving into some of our specialty papers. This is our iridescent foil, and you can see it's got some of that holographic shine, but it is a foil. This is the mauve color. Then we've got a sheet of glitter luxe. This is our glitter cardstock, and the color on this one is Lavender Fusion. Then we have a sheet of sequin glitter in lilac, and this has those cool sequin shaped or hexagon shaped glitter flecks. Then we have a sheet of Encore Dazzle. This is Midnight Lagoon, and it is a smooth pearlescent, kind of a minty green color. Then we have a textured shimmer paper. This one is Encore Shimmer Sea Mist. We have a sheet of blue pearlescent vellum. This is 8.5 by 11 size, and it does have that pretty pearlescent sheen. This is one of my favorite papers in the entire shop. This is a star acetate from American Crafts, and you can see it's see-through, but it has these cool gold stars on it. This is so fun for like shaker cards or just layers. It's just beautiful. Next up, we have a sheet of our Encore Snowy White Smooth. This is included this month because this is like the most basic of basic papers, and I want you to try it because I think you're going to love it. It's just an all-around great white smooth cardstock that's super smooth. It cuts great on a Cricut or Silhouette and with die cuts. So Encore Smooth Snowy White. Then we've got a sheet of our Encore Wow Glitter in white. Now this is a fine glitter. It feels like really fine sandpaper, but this is a no shed glitter paper. So you can cut pretty intricate designs with it, and there's absolutely no shed whatsoever. So just really pretty shimmer. We've got a sheet of matte foil. This is the rose gold color. Again, probably one of my favorites. I have lots of favorites, what can I say? This is Glitter Luxe Caramel. Last but not least, we have a sheet of Cereal Pearl Fusion Bronze. This is the most gorgeous pearlescent paper. It's got like a multi-tone coloring in it. I don't know if you can see that, but in real life it's just gorgeous, and the sheen is just beautiful. So that is everything included in this month's box. And then of course your box includes mystery items. This month there are 4 items. 3 of them are cardstock and 1 of them is an embellishment. They're all perfectly coordinated with the kit, and I think you're really going to love them. This month we have a guest designer, Salty Yankee, and you'll be making these adorable little butterfly gift boxes in 3 different colors. So that is your free bonus craft class this month. So there you have it. This is English Garden. And just a reminder, you do get free US shipping on these monthly subscription boxes. You can subscribe for as little as 1 month. The best deal does start at a 6-month subscription. You get your mystery items and you get that free bonus class. So check this out, grab it, it's available right now.